Hello everyone, my name is Avinash Dodi and today I am discuss about business plan Agarbatti. Company name Inset Stick AD Private Limited. Product Dhoop and Agarbatti. Introduction. The incense stick had the origin from India. This business requires no special or arrangement and knowledge. It can be easy to start this business. Also, this business is profitable as due to abundantly availability of raw materials and has wide range of aromas and fragrances available in them. Market any aroma specialty and customizing the matching the orders the business successfully. Company profile. The incense stick manufacture company are available in a wide variety of fragrances to fruit-based scents and from masala scents to vary on special blends. The incense sticks being environment with lovely fragrances and scents. The Dutch sticks are eco-friendly and given a much better fragrance spread. The company product can be used to scent the air in living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens. Our quality, all the incense sticks manufactured by the company are in 9 inches length, but the company can make sticks for its clients for 6 inches to 16 inches. Market analysis. Market of agarbatti and dhoop. India is the largest producer of agarbatti and dhoop. The never-ending demand for agarbatti and dhoop is increasing in both domestic as well as foreign markets because of the improvement in quality and increase the availability of varied products. A wide variety of agarbatti are available in different shape and size, color and fragrances at very competitive price. Our competitor in Dahanu area, Sandeep Agarbatti manufacturer, he is making their variant type of agarbatti and supply in the market like Chandan Agarbatti, Mogra Agarbatti, Kevda Agarbatti offered by Sandeep Agarbatti. So I will wide variety of agarbatti offer customers. Our company manufacture wide variety of colors. Our agarbatti and like red, blue, brown, green, and also wide variety of fragrances, floral to fruit based scent and masala scents also. Stick size different provide like 9 inches length, 6 to 12 inches length. Provide a price also reasonable. Financial analysis. Land buying around 5 5,000 square feet. Amount 15 lakh. Building 5 lakh. Machinery. We have to we have required two machines. Manual machines, automatic machine, dry machine, powder mixture, packaging machines. Total amount 6 lakh. Raw materials of agarbatti. Kupam powder per kg 30 rupees. We require 100 kg multiply 30 equals 3000. Black powder, metallic color, brown wood powder, bamboo stick, white premix powder, metallic pouch, pinal pinaltra oil, fragrances oil. We have all these required to making agarbatti and price also given there. Per kg price 30, 25, 125, 50, 130, 35, 340, 42, 2020 is market price. staff, water, electricity, insurance. They have also required to start a business. Total cost of 46 lakh 700 450 rupees. Now SWOT analysis. Strength: less startup risk. Employment is generated. Raw material is cheaply available with the plenty of resources. Second, weakness: time needed to grow the business. Profit margin is limited. Customers are involving their sales. Domestic and foreign brands. Third, opportunity. Retailers businesses or as a supplier and distributors or wholesalers. Also online selling of product. Partnership with other similar brands. There are is opportunity. Threat: demand is more in festival season only. Transportation and packaging cost more and barrier in the global market or take time. Pest analysis. Political: the government has expanded the support to arrestation involved in agarbatti making as part of a program aimed at making India self-reliant in the production increased stakes. Economical: as place of worship shut in lockdown to contain the spread of the COVID-19 disease. Agarbatti manufacturers hope business would keep going. Temples closed, but agarbatti consumption didn't drop much. You see, during COVID-19, people did not stop praying. Thank you.